Good morning, guys. How's it going? Thank you for tuning in to another video. Rush SRT back at it again, and I'm back home, baby. Feeling so good. Have the Challenger out this morning. I just couldn't sleep last night. I was so excited to get up and drive this thing. It's been about a week since I drove it, or even longer really, because I was so busy that last week before I left to Canada. But man, oh man, it was a crazy trip, a lot of fun, and it just made me appreciate being in California so much more. Yes, there we have exhaust laws and we have a bunch of bullshit, but man, having these nice roads with beautiful weather and these beautiful cars to enjoy them with, you can't beat that. You really can't. So you know, I just can't think of anywhere else I want to live, you know, other than here, especially on a beautiful Sunday morning like today, which is currently Sunday right now. You know, the weather is just 78 degrees outside. Absolutely beautiful. Car's out of gas, of course, because I didn't leave much gas in her before I put her away, but she stayed very clean. I did a little detail on her before I put her away, and she stayed really clean, so I'm super pumped about that. And I'm super excited. I'm gonna go get some gas real quick and probably just head up to the canyon, do a little quick canyon run, and tell you guys a little bit about my Canada trip, because I got myself into a little bit of trouble. I got pulled over. You guys will see that later in the video as soon as I get a chance to stop and tell you a little more about it. All right, here we go. About to rip her real quick. Ready for this? Here we go. Drop it down a second. Holy oh man. You know, honestly, I don't care what anyone says, but cars are a form of therapy. I mean, you can be having the worst day ever and you just jump in, you rip it around a little bit and you just feel so much better. And that's what I love the most. Like, it's just, you get in it, you're in your own zone, you don't worry about anything else. The adrenaline rush just keeps your heart pumping. And yeah, just take it from there, man. I would be such a depressed person if I didn't have this car. Go. Well, I don't miss California gas prices, that's for sure. 3.619. Now, in your opinion, guys, what is the best gas station? I know there's like a big debate between Shell and Chevron. Everyone has different opinions on which one's better, but I honestly fill up at both. But I think I fill up more at Chevron than I do Shell. Ooh, that startup. Actually do a little rev. Oh, yes, girl. Got a Mustang right there. Not sure if it's a GT though. There's a lot of Challengers out. What's up, man? That's a nice looking Challenger. Got the shaker hood. Oh, they finally redid this road. Nice. Cars get out of my way because well, I'm trying to have some fun, and this guy has a trailer with him, so that's no fun. opening so I can get up there and move on. Let's go, buddy, come on. There we go. There we go, that was proper. Woo. Suspension is firm. Bikers are out. Check this out, so many bikers here. Oh, looks like some type of party or festival or something. Okay guys, so we're on the canyon now, and it looks like they are redoing it because there's no lining in the road, so we got to be a little careful here. Oh wow, this guy's really ruining this canyon run for me. Obviously, I'm not going to pass this guy around a turn here because that's going to be very dangerous for me and for him. So I'm waiting till it clears up so I can go around him real quick. So far, so good. I just wish there was more space for me to really get on it. It's a lot of fun because everyone thinks that the Challenger cannot do canyon runs and it's not that much fun on the canyons. It can't turn, but with the suspension that's on this vehicle, it's actually very capable. Obviously, it's not going to be like the best at it, but given the weight and the size of this thing, it actually moves really well, and it makes you feel very safe. It's very planted. So my tire pressures are through the roof right now, so we're all the way at 38, 37. So we're up there. So I'm gonna pick a spot to turn back around here. So I don't want to be stuck the whole time behind these guys. So let's wait till we're good, and we're good. Now we can have some fun. Oh, check out that Jeep. I love it. Very nice. And just like that, the fun is ruined again. But listen to the sound of that Hemi, baby, just roaring through the canyons. What a wonderful sound. Let that guy get it some ahead of me a little bit there. rocks. He's got a sticky tire on it. I'm gonna back off a little bit. Bikers there is. Looks like a festival going on.
That's nice.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it. They told me to do it. Alrighty guys, so that's gonna go ahead and conclude the canyon run that I did this morning. This was a totally out of the blue type of scenario here. I wasn't really planning on coming out or doing any of this, but I woke up, I did a cold start on the SRT, and I just had to take her out. So it's been very, very fun. The canyons are a little under construction right now, and there's a lot of bicyclists on it, so I couldn't really be as daring as I wanted to for my safety and the safety of others on the road, of course. So we'll save it for another canyon for another time, but I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. My name is Rush. Here's my SRT. If you're new to the channel, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome videos, and I'll see you later. Peace.